In this demonstration, we will show how to extend data extraction capabilities by integrating a third-party large language model into ABBYY Vantage. ABBYY Vantage already extracts invoice data very well using its built-in invoice skills. In this demo, invoice samples are used simply as an example to illustrate how to connect ABBYY Vantage to an LLM and see the extraction results on a familiar yet challenging document type. We'll get started by creating a document skill in ABBYY Vantage Advanced Designer that uses a prompt-based activity to capture vendor-related data from invoices. To create a document skill, go to the Skill Catalog tab and click Create Document Skill. Enter a name and, optionally, add a description for the skill, then click Create. The new skill is ready for setup. Next, upload the documents. 4 invoice samples are used in this example. After the documents are uploaded, open the Fields tab to create the fields for extraction. In this demo, the focus is on vendor-related fields, including vendor name, address, tax ID, account number, sort code, IBAN, and BIC or SWIFT. Now let's add a prompt-based activity. Open the Activities tab and select Prompt-Based Activity. In the LLM connection drop-down list, choose a pre-configured LLM connection. The secure LLM gateway can be set up in ABBYY Vantage and then selected for the document skill. Let's set up the LLM connection together. In ABBYY Vantage, go to Configurations and navigate to Connections. To start the configuration, click Add Connection. During configuration, select an LLM provider and enter the required details, such as name, API key, URL, and model name. Test the connection to confirm it is set up correctly. If the test is successful, add the connection to finalize the setup. Once the connection is configured, select it for the document skill in ABBYY Vantage Advanced Designer. Next, select the fields to be extracted. In this demo, all vendor-related fields are selected. In the Activity Editor, the fields are initially empty. ABBYY Vantage provides ready-to-use, optimized prompts specifically designed for data extraction. Here, the prompt is validated and adjusted based on real sample documents. We define the role of the LLM during document processing, the expected structure of the extraction results, the rules for capturing each field, and any strictness criteria to ensure data quality and consistency, such as how to handle missing values. We also select the document representation to send to the LLM. In this demo, the annotated text version of each invoice is used. Annotated text has been found to provide the most consistent and reliable results for LLM-aided extraction tasks. It preserves the document structure while being efficiently processed by LLMs. Once the configuration is complete, click Run. Vantage sends the prompt along with the document text to the LLM. The LLM responds with the extracted metadata, which appears directly in Vantage's Predicted tab. All vendor data points have been captured. The fields can be verified against the corresponding regions in the original document image, ensuring traceability and accuracy. And that's it. The skill is now ready to be tested and published for use in workflows. In this demo, we've successfully created a document skill that uses prompt-based extraction, demonstrating how ABBYY Vantage can leverage an LLM to extract data from invoices. This workflow ensures that the extracted data is accurate, traceable, and ready for further processing or automation. Remember, for production invoice processing, ABBYY's built-in invoice skills remain the recommended choice, while prompt-based extraction is better suited to edge scenarios that require flexible instructions, contextual judgment, and LLM-driven reasoning. Delivered through ABBYY Vantage, this capability is not just powerful, it is grounded, governed, and business-ready, combining LLM flexibility with the validation, visibility, and control needed for real-world use.